Johnny, I'm videotaping this. Yeah, totally.
You videotaping it?
This is out of control.
Are you videoing?
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's shit hitting the ground. We're getting bombed.
That's worth it. Dude, look at this sky. Look at the sun over here, bro. Look at the sky right here.
Dude.
That is awesome. Are you getting it?
Yeah. That is insane.
Dude,
Listen to this. Definitely gonna get shit on. But it's worth it.
It's worth it. Dude, if one hits the lens, it would be fucking hysterical. I think the odds are pretty good, actually.
We just gotta position ourselves right.
40,000 birds. Dude, now it looks like a fluke.
It's pretty cool. Here they come again. All right, there's a good chance we're getting shit on right now. Huh? Nothing. These guys are terrible.
Dude, there's another layer up top. There's some high
This is
flying.
insane. Dude, there's shit coming down. Yo. Oh. Dude. Dude, there's definitely not enough room for everybody. I told you, they love those trees. Oh, they're like, fuck it, we're out of here.
Dude, listen.
Dude. There's shit raining down. Dude, I hear it all around us.
Dude, come on, it's gotta be on us somewhere. Let me inspect it. There's no way. It's
You're
raining.
going back.
It's raining bird shit every time they fly over. How are we dodging this, bro?
This is out of control.
This is.
Oh no. We're in trouble.